Introducing the portable camping kitchen, your ultimate outdoor companion designed for the modern explorer. With a lightweight and compact design, our portable camping kitchen is easy to carry. Whether you're enjoying a weekend getaway or a week-long adventure, you can take it anywhere you go. Clear installation steps and step-by-step assembly. The final installation of the windshield is complete. Made of iron mesh and aluminum plastic, waterproof and high-temperature resistant. The organizer bag is spacious and easily holds a variety of spices and tools. The X-shaped sturdy legs provide exceptional stability, so you can cook with confidence on any surface. Multifunctional hooks for easy hooking of tools. With thoughtfully designed details like multifunctional hooks for utensils and a retractable lantern hanger, every item you need is right at your fingertips, illuminating your outdoor cooking adventures. Windy conditions? No problem. The three-sided windscreen offers protection, ensuring that your cooking is uninterrupted and efficient. It's a better atmosphere for an evening party. Perfectly adapted to various scenarios. Ready to elevate your outdoor cooking experience? Take cooking outdoors to the next level.